Hello guys, welcome. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm here on my Leased ad back office at the moment because I haven't done a video about this little cheeky traffic source in a while. So a little bit of a briefing on Leased ad space, what I'm using it for, and everything else. Right now, it is a source of income for me. However, I've not been promoting it much, so there's not many sales that I'm getting right now with Leased ad space, but that's not a problem at all. Why is it not a problem at all? Because I use it primarily as a traffic source. And this is the thing that most people tend to confuse when they get started online in terms of internet marketing or any kind of thing. They confuse traffic sources as a source of income. Well, it's good to have it as a source of income if you do offer it to people. For example, Leased ad space, I do offer it as one of the traffic sources, a cheap traffic source and a very well traffic source, a good traffic source that you can use in order for you to practice how to start generating more leads online, in order for you to do your training, in order for you to start building momentum in your business and get those eyeballs, that perpetual eyeballs always on your page and offer. So today we're specifically going to look at how to send a solo ad on Leased ad space. I haven't done this for a while, so I wanted to do it live with you guys just so that you have a little bit of an idea. And every 10 days as of now, I'm going to be purchasing a solo ad. So I'm just going to look at the specifically where I'm at. So I have the Sapphire package, which cost me $47 US. Now it goes up. It does cost 7, then 14, and then 27, and right now it's 50 is the next one that I can get. So yeah, this is the next package. Sorry, I'm Emerald, and this is the next package. So it will cost me around $50 US if I have to purchase the next package right here. Okay, and if I go down, you can just see that there's a lot of things available. You have an ad board which you can post ads on. You have small text ads, you have banner ads, you have solo ad emails, which is what we're going to do today, which basically allows you to generate more eyeballs or views onto your page. But more than that, it also has a blog on Leased ad space, and this blog is linked to something called SEO. Okay, it's search engine optimization. Sorry guys for me fumbling, but having it connected to this main search engine optimization allows your blog to be viewed on different sections. So I just want to go, and I haven't written a blog in a while. In fact, consistency is the key, and I haven't been consistent, guys. So I apologize for that when it comes to Leased ad space, but it is one of the traffic sources that I do like to use often. So let me just quickly go into personal blog. Okay, that's what it is. And if I scroll down right here, in fact, this is my blog index. So I'm going to open this on a new page so that you guys can see. This is my blog, okay, and this is the specific thing that I've written about my blog. It has a link to my website. In fact, I still get views on it, and if you scroll down, you can see different things about different articles that I have published regarding my blog. Okay, now the beauty of it is that if I go to Leased ad space and I just scroll down, you can see that I have views on these. Okay, they may be small in your opinion, but these accumulate after some time. That you have, like the blog that I've put out first, right, when I published it, I got 123 views, and actually now and then I still generate leads just from these blogs which have already been published. So if I'm working on this blog side of it, which is a free aspect to Leased ad space, you're actually generating more traffic and income in your primary business, basically generating more leads more than anything else. But today we're going to talk about how to send a solo ad. So let's go and actually submit a solo ad, send a solo ad email. And Leased ad space, for guys, if you don't know what it is about, it is a safe list. So it allows you to generate more income and also generate more leads through sending a blast solo ad to a lot of clients. So right now I think they're around more than, if I'm not mistaken, either 4,000 or more than 3,000 people on this website. So if I send a solo ad right now, I'm sending it to the whole database. And this is the advantage. Now, the only difference is once you pay and upgrade in each section, and I will go through that if you want to see very specifically on how it works. First, let's just go quickly so you guys see. You start off with $7 as a Pearl package. You can start off for free, but it's $7 minimum to start off. You get these impressions for text ads, and you can send one solo ad every 28 days for the rest of your life. Okay, for the rest of your life, as long as you're a member of this platform, you can send a solo ad and email out to thousands of people every month just using this platform. Okay, then you have the Amethyst package, which gives you a 14 days, so every 2 weeks you can send a solo ad, right? And I have the Emerald package, so every 9 days I can send a solo ad out. Okay, so this is the advantage about it. Every 9 days I can send a solo ad to 3,000 plus or 4,000 plus, and as the database of Leased ad space increases, I'm sending a solo ad to more people so I can generate more leads that way. And then you have specifically after that, you have the Sapphire, and it goes right up to the Red Diamond, which is where I want to reach soon. And why do I want to reach the Red Diamond specifically? Because it gives me once every 2 days, so every 48 hours, I can send an email out to 3,000 people, and that generates quite a bit of traffic for you if you start to look at where you want to go. And it's also, like I said, a training ground. Now, why do I call it a training ground? Also, before I get into why do I call it a training ground, I want to mention that, like they say here, you can earn 100% commissions on each sale. Now, what this means is that if you introduce somebody to this platform and they have to purchase a $7 package, they have to purchase, for them to send, for example, like how I have 9 days, every 9 days an email, they have to purchase a $7, they have to purchase a 17, and they have to purchase the Emerald. So that means it's 7 plus 17 plus 27 US dollars is what you're potentially earning. And all of this earning goes 100% to you. It's 100% commissions, okay? It's not something, even though they're small right now, imagine going up to spending, okay? Now, just to give you guys a potential of what it can do for you, if you're promoting it often, you got 7 plus 17 plus 27, okay? Let's scroll down a bit more. So then you have 47 plus 47 plus 67 plus 87. That's already 250 US dollars plus 147. So for you to go all in would cost you around 400 US dollars. And imagine if you bring somebody in that goes right up to the Red Diamond, okay, immediately you have the potential to earn 399 US dollars all to you, 100% to you. It doesn't go to anybody else but you. So this is the potential from just this small platform by sending a solo ad email out every 48 hours. This will allow you to earn at least 400 a pop, okay, which is quite cool to have that income earning potential. Now, it depends on how you're promoting business. As you can see, you can, if I go to even, I don't know if I can check it right here, but I know that they have leaderboards as well. Well, right now I don't know. Let's check. Let's do the solo ad, guys, and then we'll check whether there are any leaderboards. So let's send a solo ad out right now. I already have it prepared, guys, for you. So this is the solo ad that I have prepared for you. Okay, let's click on it. And it's a really short solo ad. Okay, I'm going to copy everything so that we work directly on Leased ad space. And let's paste it right here. And as you can see, it's pretty much, now I just have to edit it. Now this I want to be my headline. Bitcoin is crashing or not. Now you can see I'm sending out, it doesn't have to be related to Leased ad space, but I am pretty much very open with my Leased ad space, guys. So I do like to highlight and bold who I'm talking to, and let them know a bit of updates. And Leased ad space was the first place that I started accepting cryptocurrencies. Okay, I really started accepting Bitcoin through Leased ad space. So this is what I'm talking to them about. I'm talking to the Leased ad space members directly so that they get a bit of information from me. that I've been on the platform for a while. I'm talking to them and I want to show them an interesting opportunity that I have in terms of mining. Now I want you to see that here I just need to copy this, okay, in terms of if I want to make the link clickable in this email itself. So what I'm going to do quickly is I'm just going to paste that here, copy the link, right, and where link is, sorry, where the link is, I'll paste that there. I'm gonna close this. Just stay focused. Now, if you want to read my email, guys, it's pretty simple. The solo ad email that I'm sending out, I'm talking to the Leased Ad Space members directly because I know I'm posting it on this platform. And if you want to know what this link is about, okay, let me just show you in the other tab that I have open. Let's close this and just redirect you to the page that I'm sending them to. So what I'm doing is that I'm sending them to what I have as a mining website. And this is pretty generic. This has nothing specifically, as you can see, you can brand yourself if you want, but it is what I'm giving them, right? So they're talking about a mining, generational wealth. I'm talking about a mining opportunity that I am in and I have been working to earn passively earning and create generational wealth. Now, why am I doing this? These keywords right here, I want them to see these keywords, okay, that I'm highlighting, because when they go on to the next, when they go on to this part, this website, and they click on it, they will actually see mining, generational wealth. So it's congruent, right? It's congruent. And that's why you can start generating pretty much a good consistency in terms of actually training yourself with your email and stuff like that, so that when people click on something, they actually go to the link that is needed, right? And that's about it, guys. I've written my email out. I'm pretty satisfied with what I have, and we're gonna click on send, and I want to show you what will happen. Okay, so I clicked on send. While this email gets sent, let me know in the comments below if you are happy with the content that you're getting, Leased Ad Space, what you think about it, whether you like Leased Ad Space or no. Just I really would like to know your opinions, those who are on my channel, with regards to this traffic source. As you know, I am posting quite a bit of information over the past month, and I will be doing it throughout the year. So let's just scroll down. You can see your solo ad has been sent. Great, let's go down and check. And I have sent it to 3,954 people, guys. 3,954 people. Now, the way that I would suggest you to start looking at whether you're doing a good job on your solo ad or no, like for example, this solo ad right here, it was not really good from my side. That's why I got only 47 people to actually, or 17 people to actually, or 47 to view it, and 17 clicks. So there's opens and clicks. But for example, this was a good video. This is a good good email that I sent. This was a good email that I sent. This was, so I can see a trend when it comes to my emails. What is the best opportunity for me? This was the best one right here. 170 clicks, opens I got. So if I just refresh my page, let's see if there are any opens or not, but there aren't any opens yet, and it'll trickle in throughout the evening, throughout tomorrow, depends. Right now I've sent it to so many people, so let's see then how they react to it. So hope you guys got some valuable information. This was valuable to you. If you feel like this content is helpful and you want more tutorials on Leased Ad Space, I am going to be more consistent on Leased Ad Space, and therefore we'll be shooting more videos about Leased Ad Space as well. It is a traffic source that I really like to use, and we'll be using it much more this year. I will leave a link in the description to Leased Ad Space in case you're interested. And also what I will do is I will leave a link to the method that I'm using, so the main website that I'm using in order for me to maintain my marketing and then grow online. Okay, so you'll have two websites that you can check out in the description below. And that's about it on this video, guys. Keep paving the way for your dreams, and I'm going to see you on the next one.